What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Had a little bit of technical difficulties, but we're back at it. Gonna wait for some people to hop in here. They're gonna bring. We got a few setups we're looking at right now, y'all. I'm gonna wait for some more people to hop up in here. They're gonna break some more stuff down. You already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we look at the charts, drop them in the chat. It's Friday, y'all. About to end this week on a great note. Had a crazy trade yesterday. The few setups we're looking at, those I was in the live yesterday. GU ended up going as projected, as well as NAS100. Me and the members ended up taking this trade yesterday as well. Like we talked about yesterday, if we could hold the bubbles, we could see price continue to push down, and that's exactly what price ended up doing. So not only did it push the rest of the day after the New York news, but last night during Tokyo session, as we could see price continue to take a nice dump. It didn't start to retrace until about a few hours ago. So this was a crazy 1 to 10 risk reward ratio for those that held the entire time. So it was an insane trade yesterday. So as of right now, we're going to be watching GU for a possible sell, and we're also keeping an eye on GA for a possible buy set. That's what we're watching right now. We're going to be keeping an eye on GN as well. We got our alerts, of course. We had GBP news last night, well, about an hour ago, I should say. And if y'all go on to GBPJPY, you can see a crazy thing happen. Right, we're going to the daily. You can see a nasty looking wick. You also see that price again. It's been struggling to break past this resistance level, hold that support. But as you can see, it's been struggling to go down as well. So it's very weird week as far as GJ is concerned. Just been stuck in place. So it's going to be interesting. Those in the description or free signal for Telegram. Show your screen how we did last month, last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. I'll pull up in a little bit and go over how we're doing so far this month and how we're doing so far this week. Bitcoin happenings happening today. So on your time zone. Make sure to check out the video. Just dropped the link. What's going on? I see you in here. How you doing, man? As far as news, nothing really crazy going on news-wise today. It's the wrong week, so it's all right. Yeah, so nothing else going on today. That was the last high-impact news event for the week. That is. What's going on, Lawrence? You said what's been going through all the what's been going on. I think you were trying to say you've been going through all the content, slowly seeing that demo compound picture the game you dropped. Oh yeah. That's what's up. That's what's up. No problem. It's not stopping anytime soon. Like I said, I got a couple more videos lined up. I had to replan the new how to trade news video because, like I said, I was going to drop that, but because news ended up kind of going as projected, but didn't do what I was kind of expecting, anticipating. I got to redo how I got the video marked up and planned out. But I got a couple more videos lined up. Probably not gonna drop today. I'll probably wait till next week. But I do got a few more videos lined up next week as well because I'll have to do. I'm gonna start doing at least one or two crypto videos. One's gonna be at least per week. That is, one's gonna be at least one of those gonna be a Bitcoin update. Make sure to check the one out I did earlier this week. But yeah, the content ain't gonna stop anytime soon. That's why we do this. It's Friday, y'all. So I just dropped some serious game the other day too. So if you haven't seen this video, make sure to check this one out, y'all. Yeah, so there's a couple setups we're looking for right now. So we're gonna go over how we're doing so far this week. You hit that first link in the description. It'll send you to the free signal for Telegram. You're going to see the link to the live. I send this out every day when we go live. You're going to see how we did yesterday. This is how price was looking at the end when market closed. This is what NAS was looking like when market closed. All right, this is what NAS was looking like when market closed. This is what NAS looked like after Tokyo session. So that thing went from being a nice 1 to 4, almost 1 to 5, to literally 1 to 10 in the span of a session. So this was an insane drop. And again, this was the screenshot. You see I posted this at 5:49 when market closed. This is what price did when market was open. Crazy, crazy, crazy move right here. So how many pips caught? It's not even accurate. That's how many pips was caught with market and 26 points, depending on how you want to count and calculate it. I do pips though. But not only did we catch this entire drop besides, Wednesday, but we caught 2 daily candlesticks. It was just a crazy move right here. So that's how yesterday ended up. Caught this NASA, and again, we broke this down during London session live as well. We entered it a little bit after the stream. Because again, when we was watching it, price was just kind of chilling here. The price didn't start to make a move until after the stream. So that's how yesterday went with 1031 for the week. Then how Wednesday went 10 again. We took a nice GU sell, which was this. Again, like we was talking about during yesterday's live as well, how price was break this level and treat as resistance. Well, price broke this level, treat as resistance a little bit. So we're about to see if we can break back below this level and continue to push down. Right, so if you can hold 24.25 as resistance, we can look for sales going down to 23.90 and possibly 23.50. So that's what we're going to be looking for today. Let me just back up. And then Tuesday, took a nice GN buy. All TVs got hit by 60 pips. It was this GN buy. And then Monday, we took a loss. It was this GJ buy we took. As we can see, price has just been breaking this low, but strong. We can see that price hasn't even been moving. As far as the only loss when GJ's been stuck in place all week, I'll take it. You know what I'm saying? And then these wins have definitely canceled out that one loss many, many, many times over. So I'm not really tripping about that. As far as right now, we're watching NAS for more possible sell setups. Watching GU for possible sell setup as well. And then we're just keeping an eye on GN and GA. We got alerts on them. So we're just keeping an eye on it. Whoops, my bad, y'all. Let me my bad. I had loosened up. There we go. I loosened up the I don't even know what it's called, the thing you connect to the thing you plug your monitor to connect to the other monitor. Whatever that thing is called. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we're looking at charts, drop in the chat. But we're just chilling patiently right now. What's going on, Tracy? I see you up in here. Whoops. What's going on, Tracy? I see you up in here. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scroll at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram is playmaker_way. TikTok _playmakerway_. Make sure to check out the content on there as well. Make sure to check out the content on YouTube as well. We don't just live stream. We post weekly content from trade breakdowns, trading tips, trading plan videos, all types of stuff. Playlists are up to date as well, so make sure to check the playlist out. Got tons of free game up on here. New 5 minute just popped up. Y'all got any questions up in the chat? I'm looking at charts up in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. We just went over how we did this week. This is how we did last week. Went 6-0 last week. It was 100% win rate. We're 3 so far this week. And you go to April 4th, you're going to see how we did last month and last quarter. Right, so January we went 20-0, caught 37,620 pips. February we went 17-1, caught 24,403. Then March we went 16-3, caught 49,783 pips. Ended the quarter 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. That's all 3 months combined. Excuse me, we caught a total of 111,806 pips as well. We click right here, it's going to take the beginning of the quarter. As you know, first trading day of the year was January 3rd. Then you can see how we did last quarter, quarter 4. Well, it's not last quarter anymore. This is how we did quarter 4 to end the year. All wins and losses were posted. At the beginning of the week, we got the Sunday chart analysis going over what we see the price doing, not just Monday, but throughout the entire week. If you check out this week's Sunday chart analysis, a lot of the stuff, all the charts we went over, and that's projected as well. So make sure to click that first link in the description, check all that stuff out. And then, of course, there's screenshots, positions, testimonials, all that good stuff. I just posted some new ones the other day. You're going to check those out on April 16th. But yeah, we're just chilling, waiting for some setups. So yesterday, price was kind of just chilling until after the first hour. So we're going to see if that's going to be the same thing, the same case today, or if we're going to see some action on this stream. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting. Look, I should move this a little too right here. This price does break this level. But I see this can break this level right here. Shout out to everybody watching. I was just talking about this live with the members yesterday because we went live during the news yesterday with the members. Even when it's slow, if you're on the charts, you're going to find opportunity. So I know things been slow, but it ain't got nothing to do with me. And we still get into these pips either way. But we just chilling, patiently waiting, y'all. Ain't nothing we can do. We can't control the markets, can't control the charts. So there's no point in stressing, being impatient. You just gotta be early. You just gotta be early and ready and anticipating a move, which is why it's important to understand how charts work, because what a lot of people do is they relate to the party, they try to chase the trade when it's already a little too late. Because what we're doing, we're anticipating where we can see price do the next potential move, and we're just waiting for price to meet our confirmations for it to potentially do that next move. So right here, just like yesterday, you watched yesterday's live, we was looking at this sell right here, waiting for the retest. Once price retest and confirm, that's when we enter. Right? That's what the same thing we're doing here. We're looking for a sell here, so now we're just waiting for the confirmation. Once the confirmation is met, we're going to enter. What's going on, J Rod? I see you in here. So if NAS can hold 17,250 as resistance, we can see sales going down to 17,140 and possibly 69.50, 69.40. That's what we're looking at right here. Again, it's already did a nice drop, huge lower low, came all the way down to the support level here, rejected, retraced back up. So we're going to see the price is going to continue to push down, or it's going to flip and turn to a green retracement candles. Because again, London session just started 43 minutes ago. This daily candlestick to be this big already. When we look at the other daily candlesticks, these are 5 days ended, so it's already around the same size of the candlestick as that's went through London. I mean, that's went through Tokyo, London, and New York. So we're either going to see a little bit or retrace like we just saw right here, or it's going to flip and turn green on us. So it's going to watch and see what happens. Those just joining the stream, we haven't entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join a free server for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Oh, my bad. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. We got a couple setups we're looking at, just waiting for our confirmations. I need to get oil to my chair. My thing has been extra squeaky the past couple weeks. I think it's been extra squeaky the past couple weeks. But watching NAS right here, you can see it's kind of still just floating. We're waiting to see if we can break this level right here. Make sure to like the live too, y'all. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We're almost at 2,300 subs. We can get that easily. Like I said, I have a couple videos lined up. I'm probably going to drop them next week. I don't really drop videos on Friday. We don't do too good on Fridays. But I got a couple videos lined up. I had to redo the news video. I'm still working on that one. And then I'm going to have a few other ones lined up. Of course, it's going to be an update after today/tomorrow because the Bitcoin happening is going to be happening. So I'm going to be updating, what actually, took place or did it change that much from on that day. And it basically update projections and all that good stuff. If you haven't seen my most recent one from earlier this week, let me go ahead and drop that in the chat for y'all. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When you charge, drop them in the chat. The last high impact news event of the week was the GP news at 2 a.m. So we don't got anything popping up as far as that's not this week, y'all. That was last week. We have nothing else popping up as far as New York session goes. So we're simply just going to wait for volume. Our confirmation to be met. GU did not meet our confirmation, so we simply did not take the trade. NAS we're still just patiently waiting on, and they'll also keep an eye on GJ. The reason why we didn't take the buy here is because it did the move an hour before we went live, and we don't chase trades. So we're either going to wait for retracement or for price to break this level here. We're also watching GN and GA. As we can see, they kind of just been chilling. By the way, y'all, I'm going to be working on it this weekend. Crypto Telegram, the free crypto Telegram. I already created it. I just want to kind of add some more stuff to it, but that's going to be public next week. Basically, on there, it's not. I don't know how frequent I'm going to update it, but I'm going to be posting for sure at least weekly updates. And know for the beginning of the week, just like the Sunday chart analysis. I'll probably do an update like I don't know if I'll do daily, but maybe twice a week, maybe at the beginning of the week, and maybe a recap at the end of the week before the weekend starts. But I'm not going to just be talking about Bitcoin. I'm going to talk about a few other cryptos that I'm watching or coins I should be saying. And then, yeah, we're going to really be breaking things down on there. We're going to talk about a lot of information because a lot of people don't really understand what crypto is essentially. And I can't tell you off the exact top of my head. I'm not going to act like I know all this stuff either. But if you are investing, it's important to understand what you're doing, what it is, and all that good stuff, especially when you're doing what a lot of people do as far as crypto is concerned, where y'all literally swinging and y'all holding it for a long term, like y'all holding for like months / quarters at a time. But I talked about this in my most recent Bitcoin video, but where a lot of people fuck up at is y'all not really entering where you're at like calculated positions. Y'all just buying when price retraces or after price made new highs or whatever the case may be. But you got to treat it essentially the same way as day trading. And we're going to be talking about that as well as some more stuff. So we're going to look out for that. So we got GJ pushing up. So we're going to see what this next hour is going to be looking like for GJ. We're going to keep an eye on NAS as well. So it looks like we're going to be really watching NAS and GJ. And then if GA or GN wants to do anything interesting, we're going to look for some buys on there. We got GA buys. Well, no, this is GN, my bad. I'm looking for GN and GA buys. So GA, let's talk about GA because I just said that. If price can break back above and hold 94.10 as support, we can look for buys going to 94.60 and possibly 95.15. As we see last night, when price broke this level, it failed to complete it from resistance to support, which caused price to reject back. Which caused price to reject back down. We also see price struggle and fail to this level of support as well. Again, like we was talking about at the beginning of this week, had this huge consolidation for like literally 2.5 months. Price eventually broke that level in reverse where we caught sells. After one pivot, price rejected, started to shoot back up into the consolidation where we're left off at right now. My bad, y'all had to sneeze. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to dust my desk again or somebody's talking shit about me. Either way. So we see price here, like we was talking about 2 days ago, price is going to need to break these levels and treat them for resistance to support for the uptrend to continue. We can see price is still treating these levels as resistance from this wick right here. So we're going to see what happens at the end of today. We'll see if the uptrend is going to be solidified and continue going into next week, or if we're just going back to some consolidation and ranging like we was for the majority of quarter one. The GN same thing. It's been struggling, kind of like GJ, to break and hold this level above us, which we need to treat as support for the uptrend to continue. So GN can hold 1130, 1135 as support. We can look for buys going to 1205 and then possibly 1285, 1290. So that's what my game plan for today is going to be. And then breaks back below this level. I'm not against the sell for that either. Make sure not to waste this weekend, y'all, because the weekend's gonna be over way before you know. Especially when you're semi-new to trading, not consistently properly yet. You want to take advantage of the weekend. I'm not saying don't have any fun, don't go no life mode, because I doubt most people do that anyways. But I'm saying you still want to put some time in. I always tell members of students an hour a day minimum, right? Back testing, whether that's back testing, whether that's reviewing your trades for the week, reviewing your profits for the week. If you did end the week green or blue, reviewing your mistakes, reviewing what you did correctly, You should always be reviewing how your week went in general, as well as how your week went on the charts. Because again, if you're brand new to trading and you don't do anything trading wise, it's tomorrow, today, and then Sunday, all the way to London session Monday, you're going to forget half the crap that you thought you remembered or learned this week. All right, I've seen so many times. I'm speaking from experience, and I had members of students experience this as well, so I know it wasn't just me. And I'm not saying, don't have fun this weekend, but you're really trying to, you're not just here just because you're really trying to see success with trade or take it seriously. You got to treat it seriously. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not going to there's only a few things in life where you cannot try or put any effort and you're just going to see results. There's only a few things in life you can do that. Trading ain't one of them. New 15 just popped up. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. I respond to all messages. I think y'all can DM me on TikTok as well. Members, I'm going to send a New York price watch list out for y'all in a few hours. You already know. I'm still going to be on the charts, just waiting for volume to kick up. That's all we're really waiting on. Again, after I ended the live, it was literally like, I ended the live at like, what was it like? Literally like maybe 5 or 10 minutes after I ended the live. We ended up taking that NAS trade. I can show you that right here. Again, this is an old trade nobody takes. This was the NAS trade from yesterday. So literally like maybe like 5 or 10 minutes after we ended the live, that's when we took that trade. So we could see some action pop off these next couple of hours because, again, we don't have any news today. So we're simply just waiting on volume. And again, a lot of these charts did do some decent moves during Tokyo session. So like I said, we could see price end up chilling. Majority of London session try to do a move. New York session, we could see retracement. But what I've noticed the past few Fridays had kind of slow / retracement days. So don't be too shocked or surprised if that happens today as well. Appreciate y'all in the live. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since y'all joined. And yeah, man, got a lot of videos and content lined up for y'all next week. And we're going to be back at the same time, London session, 3 a.m. EST.